Wood Carving Museum is located in Dongyang City, Zhejiang Province. It is the first national level museum which is specialized in wood carving and bamboo weaving artifacts. It was officially opened in October 2014 and it has 6 different exhibition halls. It serves as a core platform showcasing the history and art craftsmanship as well as culture about wood carving. Those art crafts are divided into 6 different exhibition halls according to their different regions. Each year, tourists from all over the world will visit China's Wood Carving Museum in Dongyang City. This museum is very beautiful, so we sincerely want to invite you friends from all over the world to visit this beautiful museum.